The time you spend just getting to work could be the same as what you'd make in 30 minutes of market analysis. I'll show you how it's done. I'm Simon, I've been doing this for 7 years and I have an 88.7% success rate. It's all clear and simple. Let's dive in. Today I'll start with 300. Feel free to start with any amount you like. Of course, there are some limits on the platform and I go over those in detail on my Telegram channel. Pretty much everything you need to know about market analysis is there. Alright, let's pick our pairs. Let's add one more stock. Today we'll use just one indicator, the MACD, which helps us see the trend direction and find entry and exit points. A couple more settings. And we are ready. All right, everything's set up. I'm ready to put my strategy into action. Let's get started. Okay, I see a bounce down from this spot, so I'm going with the trend. Small reward, but every bit counts. Now I see a strong upward movement. The indicator points that out. After a small pullback, we are taking off. Let's watch. If you're still not quite getting the technical analysis, check out my Telegram channel. That's where I can break everything down in detail. Unfortunately, I can't cover all the details in this video, and that's why I created my Telegram. See you there. I knew this one would work. Look at the chart. What would you do here? Since we've been holding at this level after a downtrend without any big rebounds, I'm expecting a break below. Let's go for it. Turns out, as expected, I'm happy with that. Alright beginners, listen up. I've got some exciting news for you. When I first heard about it, I almost wish I was new to this too. Ready? The platform I use is offering an extra 50% on your deposit. This deal is available to everyone who registers using my promo code. That's 50% added to your initial deposit. Can you believe it? So if you put in, say, 200, your account already shows 300. You haven't done a thing yet, and it's already 300 instead of 2. One in, then click the link in the description and message me directly that you're after that 50% bonus. Hey Apple, I'm spotting a bounce of the level here and the indicator has shifted, so we're moving down. Perfect. I'll make one more round and then head over to my Telegram followers. This session is just a warm-up for me. The main action happens in my community, so join us there. I see the support levels been broken here, so I'm going down with the trend. And that's it, my friends. Take a look at what we've got in our pocket now. Quick, fun, and productive. That's how I like it. If you want to know more about market analysis or have questions, head over to my Telegram channel. Already 46,000 followers know how to get results like these. See you there.